Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both Echo Dots. Check firmware and sign into the same Amazon account so they can communicate. Once done, place each dot where Wi-Fi is strong and confirm the SSID and password. Open the Alexa app on your phone, allow Bluetooth and location access. These permissions let the app discover devices and create a group. Now, tap Devices, then the plus icon, choose Add Device. This gets discovery rolling. Don't skip permissions. They are required for pairing. Next, you create a multi-room group so both dots play together. In the Alexa app, tap Devices, then the plus and choose Add Multi-Room Music. This configures synchronized audio across devices. Pick a clear group name, like Downstairs, then select both Echo Dots. The app asks you to confirm a leader device. Pick the dot closest to your router for stability. Follow the brief audio test. If you hear the tone on both, synchronization is set. Make sure volume levels are balanced before moving on. To finish, test it. Say, Alexa, play music on your group name and listen for simultaneous playback. If you notice lag or dropouts, reboot the router and each Echo Dot, then retest. Make sure the dots aren't on different Wi-Fi bands, switch to the same two. 4 GHz or 5 GHz network is needed because mixed bands cause sync issues. If problems persist, move the leader dot nearer the router or connect the router via Ethernet for a stable primary network. This single.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.